Did you know that the number of people adopting a vegan diet has skyrocketed by 600% in the last 3 years? Yet, despite this explosive growth, many myths and misconceptions about veganism persist. Let's dive in and uncover the truth about vegan diets. In 2024, veganism is no longer a fringe movement, it's mainstream. However, misconceptions still cloud the way many view plant-based diets. In today's video, we're debunking the biggest myths about vegan diets, so you can separate fact from fiction and make informed dietary choices. One of the most common concerns about a vegan diet is protein deficiency. We've all heard it. How do you get enough protein without meat? There's also the belief that vegan diets lack essential nutrients like iron, calcium, and vitamin B12, making it seem like plant-based eating is an impossible balancing act. Others claim that veganism is unnatural or unhealthy, suggesting that a plant-based diet can lead to fatigue, muscle loss, or even cognitive decline. These myths scare people away from what is actually a nutritionally sound lifestyle when done right. Let's not forget the stereotype that a vegan diet is expensive or only for the elite, a real barrier for those thinking of switching but worried about their wallets. Now, let's break down these myths one by one. Protein deficiency. The truth is, getting enough protein on a vegan diet is not only possible but simple. Foods like lentils, chickpeas, tofu, quinoa, and even vegetables provide ample protein. A balanced vegan diet can easily meet the daily protein requirements for most people. Scientific studies have shown that plant proteins are just as effective for building muscle as animal proteins, as long as you consume a variety of protein sources. Nutrient deficiencies. People often believe that vegans are at risk for deficiencies in iron, calcium, or vitamin B12. While it's true that vitamin B12, found mainly in animal products, needs to be supplemented, this is easily managed. As for iron and calcium, leafy greens, fortified plant milks, beans, and seeds can provide more than enough. In fact, plant-based sources of iron can be absorbed more efficiently when paired with vitamin C-rich foods. Health risks. Studies show that well-planned vegan diets can reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Far from being unhealthy, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes provides powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory benefits. Expense. Vegan diets don't have to be expensive. Staples like rice, beans, oats, and frozen vegetables are some of the most budget-friendly foods available. It's true that specialty vegan products can be pricey, but a whole foods-based vegan diet is often cheaper than one based on animal products. Here's the most surprising fact. Did you know that the world's largest and strongest land animals, like elephants, gorillas, and rhinos, are plant-based? This just goes to show that you can thrive, build muscle, and be strong on a vegan diet. The misconception that animal products are essential for strength and health is outdated. Not only that, but vegan diets have been proven to meet all the nutritional needs for people at any stage of life, including athletes, pregnant women, and children. This dismantles the idea that veganism is inherently nutritionally inadequate. So, to recap, a vegan diet provides enough protein, prevents nutrient deficiencies with proper planning, offers health benefits, and doesn't have to break the bank. The key is to stay informed and make balanced choices. What do you think about these vegan diet myths? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more tips on plant-based living or health, check out my other videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. This structure provides a compelling flow for the video while addressing common concerns and ending with a positive, action-oriented message.